Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Cash App. It's a really simple and easy process, so make sure to watch this video till the end. All you have to do is properly transfer money from your Dasher Direct account to Cash App. It's first within the Dasher Direct app. Go to the app and make sure you acquire your account number and routing number. This is the information necessary to properly link your Dasher Direct bank account to Cash App and receive the funds as fast as possible. So after you acquire that information or those credentials for your Dasher Direct card, go back to Cash App and click on the bottom left corner to access your banking page. Within your banking page, you have to link two things. The most important one is to link the bank account using the account number and routing number that you got from DoorDash. So include the credentials and properly add the bank. You can also select it from the list if it appears for you. Alternatively, just manually include the information I taught you how to get. After you link your bank, you might be prompted or it might be necessary for you to also add the credit card or debit card number. So if you need to go ahead and add it now. Alternatively, just follow the steps presented to you on the screen to add any amount of funds. As long as you enter the valid and legitimate information from Dasher Direct, you will be able to receive your money on your Cash App account directly from your Dasher Direct. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.